Oh, I'm find the angle to the video. We're going to transform you into PROTOJE. That is it. That is it. That is the angle of the video. Yep. That is the caption. That is exactly it. That is the angle of the video. We're literally turning you into PROTOJE.
Like royalty.
For the day. Yeah.
Halloween gone, you know.
It's not Halloween. Come on. It's not Halloween.
Jesus Christ. More than my term in a PROTOJE.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman, Etan?
Yo, oh you mean people don't know say Yaadman, Etan, and it is too early to be doing this. But they are with
Not that early. Can you not? But up there run the draws like can't make the whole of YouTube as to say only Jesus, babe.
yeah, so Dirty Bear look for draws, is it me? And apparently we're doing something today where I'm never the one to tell me about. Is it me? It might drag me for go someplace and tell me I said someplace. What a way you have someplace in your brain, man. Last day in Jamaica I can't bother. Like I can't just edit in a piece, brother.
Your last day.
And find like a one girl for like, you know.
Mukbang.
What?
Huh?
Shensia?
What? You need to make that happen.
Well, mukbang Shensia, we need to make that happen.
Oh God!
So I think we're reach.
Hold on there. You have drawers under that, right?
Yeah.
Oh. No, because I think because you can't put down with them big old shots.
Yeah.
Oh, my photograph is there.
That's my telephone.
Yeah. Cause listen a while ago, I say, I would just let go.
Make sure it's everything in the holidays. Alright, man. Alright, cool. So apparently we're doing a fitting, because Barry never want to tell me nothing.
It's a fitting, but then again, I guess we never know what the word fitting it really mean at one point in time.
Alright, so as I said, I don't know what going on because Barry I said I not take enough photos, I don't take enough pictures and them want like a random.
Suit like it's bad.
Anyways, so the suit right so in the car, you see me? But then the stylist did ask me, so which shoes am I wear? Which shoes you have? And I said, yo, me never come to Jamaica for the no type of event in cause you know COVID and all them something that I left my clocks are foreign. No, the question is how may I get shoes for wear with that something here for this impromptu, big word Barry, impromptu photo shoot. So what you say? How this gonna work, sir? I don't understand what you do. How this gonna work?
I don't know, but we're gonna put it together. Turn on the music, we don't want to get a copyright, Jesus scream. Okay. But yeah, I don't know, but we're gonna try to wing it though. That's the plan. So I have the suit. Just need to get the shoes now. Just say it with little energy, right?
So Barry is trying to get the shoes.
If you ever shame me, just like do it entertainingly, okay? Alright, so here's the thing. I took up myself and say I am trying to do a vlog. I'm trying to achieve something in 24 hours, right?
Okay.
What I'm doing is that I've fully taken another YouTuber friend now and hijacked him for the day, and we're trying to see if we can transform him into PROTOJE. He's Yaadman Etan, right? Well, I have a suit, right? I have a suit from Carlton Brown, and him say, okay, yeah man, the suit is good. So then the next partner, him just be like, my friend is leaving tomorrow, by the way. About for the shoot, we don't have no shoes. And Carlton say if there's a brown or burgundy shoes that would go good with the outfit. And so now it's just me calling on and say, do you have anything or would you be able to bring that vision to life?
Sure.
Wait, you said yes?
Yes.
Oh gosh, wait Maridas, she just say yes. So now we're gonna go up on you and see if we can bring this thing together in 24 hours. Thank you very much. You think you have one brown or burgundy thing? What size you wear?
What size my shoes again?
What size you wear? You know you have woman foot.
9.5.
See that? Weird. 9? Oh,
woman foot.
I thought it was like 8, you know, so like man foot start like about like 9 to that.
And on a good day, 10.
Well, once you need it, you will provide it. Don't worry about it.
Alright, okay, nice. Alright, so it's today, you know. Today we're trying to achieve it by today, alright?
Yeah. Just call me when you're outside. I'll be there.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you, Melissa.
Alright, take care.
Yeah. Alright, see, they say that's why good for no good people. I'm telling you, Yaadman. These things can come together. Like there's a method to my madness, you know. Sometimes I don't really have the idea of them together, but my brain just say, yo, you can do it, and I'm gonna go achieve it. Because as the Excelsior motto say, the brave may fall, but never yield.
Excelsior said that?
Yeah. Circle up so fresh come from place I'm a million big and long up that run away like
So, greetings. I just want you to keep in mind that me don't know what going. I implant this last minute. Me I go back to foreign tomorrow. So you can't ask me nothing, me don't know what going.
So much time that the camera said you know what going. We get it. You don't know what going is just an impromptu thing.
You're blank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're trying to put together this now 24 hours and if we can get accomplished, then we'll win the mission. Alright? So now we're at new fashions. 80 Content Spring Road, you know that the 80 Content Spring lodge in our brain.
Awesome.
You cannot miss it. And then like on the same like stretch where active home traders did and out there so you have a big number where say 80. You cannot miss it. Anyway, one of the people that something. So now Melissa, so got the suit from like Carlton Brown, and Melissa say, alright, she have the shoes, she thinks she should have the ideas for options. He has something probably brownish, probably burgundish. So like
But I'd like to get a picture of the
have it, actually have it.
Okay. And inside these? And you say our size 8, right?
No. Very time. I get to look at them, I have little woman food. No. And if you're excited at 10.
All the better, all the better.
Man.
Alright, I'm going to see if we can...
Is this brown shirt?
Yeah.
Don't
It's brown. And it have like
The little red streak.
red streak and the lace there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
So
Okay.
this to pick up a little energy off that.
Yeah.
We can share other options.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we have right here. Oh!
We have left, right.
Okay, let me see them there. Let me see. Okay.
Melissa, them type of shoes here have name.
Yes, they do. Like, whoa, I almost thought they said burritos, but it's Bartons.
Oh. You know that after that.
Right? So both of them are Bartons. We have Aldo.
Okay, yeah.
Aldo is a more popular brand. But I mean, these three would, I believe,
Yeah.
you see? All three would work.
Yeah.
So it's whichever one I give you the most vibe, you
Really?
understand?
So it depends on what I'm going to wear underneath too.
Yes.
Alright. Boy, it's becoming up and bring no clothes because whenever I do not.
So we can try something with it and get the vibe and, you know?
Okay.
Try.
Okay.
Can get a top to try with it, man.
Okay.
I guess see which one I do.
No man, I'm feeling this and I'm feeling this.
Yaadman is going to make his grand entrance as mini PROTOJE, bootleg PROTOJE. Step out Yaadman. No flop. This is the camera there. Okay, to the right. Lori, camera, one man, come on man. Jesus, me see a lot of PROTOJE attitude already. These people want to do something like that, man. Sing a little something, man. Ready for the great grab.
We're not saying nothing, you know, but going on the things up there, is it me? We can't sign an autograph, not true.
No, just shoes.
Yeah, man, we're trying to be your thing. Man, I have the uptown no socks up on it too, you know.
Well, Melissa, guys. Tell the people that what was seeing this like where you're just like internet and not so come here with the suit and he carried up to our next level.
Yeah. Because him come with him jacket and him pants, no problem, cool. So we just say, alright, jump in a little PROTOJE turtleneck thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And they'll give the best shoes, you know? So take a look at me, you know what you Hey, sorry. What's it there?
Yeah, man, this was not a bad idea.
Yeah?
It was awful. Is it me? I must say this.
Feel good.
Feel
Feel like you want to get contact with like you want to start flick.
So you're ready to change up the whole wardrobe and...
Cause you see it a while ago, you know.
New person.
You see it a while ago and she said, yeah, you're really good.
And by the way, Shensia, I think you would like this, right?
Romisha stand a chance after this. Jesus, please. What you say, Yaadman, you know, for nothing? No comment? You feel like you don't send the Shensia's DMs like this, though?
Alright people, so we are left from New, is it me I say out there up on 80 Content Spring Road. Is it me put on your mask at COVID time?
I have on my mask but you just see through.
Point to them. All right. So people them we are left from new. We get one nice little turtleneck and bear thing. So I think we are ready for the shoot now. Right?
Well, no, we're not really ready for the shoot because we need to go and call and see if we can find a photographer. And hopefully, if we get through with that, then everything will be set.
Oh boy, I'm stressed out. Yo, people, I don't know, say Yaadman, I'm there. Big up Carlton, big up New Fashions for this outfit. As I say, big up Yola Moy for the say my name bling and the necklace and everything. Oh, catch the light. So people them, if you've been following this vlog, you know say Berry and I have been doing this all day. You know, just winging it. So big up Berry.
You're gonna mention say kind of first?
No. So big up Berry for getting our friend Kavan, the photographer, for this. As the man say, I don't even want to call Kavan a photographer because Kavan is a full-fledged content creator. As a matter of fact, look on the man is fully multitasking right now. The man is on a Zoom call on a meeting while he's going to be taking these pictures of Yaadman. Is the man say? So yeah. We get the photographer, we get the suit, we get one turtleneck, we get the shoes, is it me I say? And yeah, I have never taken a photo shoot like this before, is it me? So, whew, I feel, what's the word for this? I feel,
Make up something. You can't make up one word.
I feel,
Make up something. PHOTOJE.
Proto-esque. You get me? I feel proto chic. Yes. Proto chic. You see me? I say, yeah man. Yaadman well photo chic right now, especially with the sunlight that there. Bomba. Wait till Uno see them picture here.
Alright, stood up.
Yo, so people, we're done. You see me, I said we're done with the photo shoot. Yeah, we're Dirty Berry there. I can't say Dirty Berry, remember?
Oh yeah, come to the night and say good day, everybody dog.
Yeah, big up Dirty Berry for the idea today. Big up yourself, my friend.
Yeah, we did it in less than 24 hours actually.
Yeah,
There's no 5 pot. Oh yeah.
Barry, tell me about this idea. And I say him have an idea for a surprise Yaadman. I never know I was literally going to start planning 24 hours. Because him called me and say, I don't know this, but I need a photographer. I say,
Right.
if you have nothing in place, why you need a photographer?
Right.
Him pull it
Cause
through.
it was literally we were looking for a photographer last minute.
Man get suit, man get shoes, man get locks.
Is it big man get lost?
And set up man good.
No, but honestly, like I saw the pictures what Kavan took and brother.
Magnifico.
Wait till I edit them, bro.
Magnifico.
And
Yo.
again, go check out my business page at kinematics_ on Instagram.
Easy.
Yeah, man.
Easy. People them. So thank you.
Yeah man, bless.
Thank you, Kavan.
That's up yourself.
Is it me? I say.
Big up
people them.
him. New fashion.
Oh yeah, big up New Fashions. Carlton Brown. Big up Yola Moy. Is it me? I say because. Is it me?
She did that chain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it me?
Remember Kamala Harris? Like her.
And we are out.